Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a floating ingredients effect where each ingredient rises upward in layers and gets labeled with its name. Site for a restaurant called Manousheh Restaurant. I am featuring one of their dishes. Yeah, the Spicy Chicken Manousheh. Actually, they are located in downtown Vancouver and they cook everything fresh in a fire oven. It's honestly so delicious. I highly recommend this place. So I will take this picture. I will use ChatGPT to make the background white for this image. Make the background of this food white. And make the size of the image 1080 by 1920. This is the size of the Instagram story and post. So to do that, I will use 3 apps: ChatGPT, Canva, and FreeVid. Yeah, FreeVid. Let me see. Yeah, free pick image. I will say make the ingredient to float up in a layers. Make the first layer dough. Then let me just make sure of the ingredients. Spicy sauce. Okay, I will copy all of them. Yeah, here I will add then spicy sauce, then smoked chicken, then pickles, then tomatoes, then let me read it again. Yeah, like this. Then mayonnaise sauce. Each one in a row. Let's see. It will take few seconds, but let's wait. Okay, so let's add the ingredients. Here I will this one mayonnaise is pickles, and here chicken, put it down. And here's spicy sauce, and here's the dough. Just let me make sure that I wrote them all right. Spicy sauce, smoked chicken, pickles, tomato, lettuce. I will add just smoked chicken. Smoked chicken like this. Yeah, that's great. Okay. I will add the arroz. Yeah. I'm thinking to do something. I will copy this. It's better to do that. And I will put this like this here. I will paste it. I will paste it here. I will need to move it a little bit down, like this. I will copy it. I will go to this image. I will put it here. I will paste this one. Yeah. Or let me do it, put it back. I will align them to the left, and I will align these. Sorry, yeah, and I will align these to the right, like this. Pickled. Okay, that will have to be down. Perfect. And then I will add arrows. Okay, I will make it this. Okay, I will make another one here. I'll add another arrow here, like this. And another one here. I'll make it longer, like this. I will add another one here. And then I will add arrows on the other side. I will flip it like this. I will add another one here. I will align them together. First one, second one, third one. Sorry. Like this. I will make the same here. Yes, so I like this. Okay, so I will save the first and the second image. I will save the first one. Then I will save the second one. And I will go to ChatGPT here. I will say, I will add the two images. Um, Okay, and I have to add the prompt code. Here. I will give you this code for you to write down. Cinematic food photography, chicken manousheh. The ingredient, spicy sauce, smoked chicken, pickles, tomato slices, chopped lettuce, and mayonnaise. So all is good. That's great. Okay. So I will copy this one. I will go to this app free pick here. As you can see here, there's start image and end image. So I will add the start image. I have to drop them. Okay, I will add the start image here. Oh, I have to log in. Okay, I have okay, so I have to go to free pack and then video generator. I have to add the start image, upload an image. So here's the start image, use image. I will go to the end image here. Start image and end image, and I will paste the prompt code. Okay, so here's the start image, the end image, and here I can see, let me put it up. Okay, here I can do the time, 5 to 6 seconds. So each one will take credit. See here, 4,750. Oh, one video left. Okay. Then I will write, I will press generate. This one will take few minutes. It will take 2 minutes here. Okay, so let's see the video here. Oh wow, that's amazing. Let's save it. Let's see it here. Wow, I hope you like it. Thank you. Please don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and to like my video. Thank you.